In this video, I am going to guide you on how to download your 13 cabs ride receipt step by step using the app. This is very useful for keeping track of your travel expenses and claiming business reimbursements. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the 13 cabs app on your smartphone. 2. Make sure you are logged in with the same account used for the ride. 3. Tap on the menu icon or your profile picture in the top corner. 4. Select the My Rides or Trip History option from the menu. 5. Find and select the ride for which you need the receipt. 6. Tap on the ride to open detailed information. 7. Look for the download receipt or email receipt option. 8. Choose the option you prefer and download or send the receipt to your email. You can now keep this receipt for expense claims or record keeping. Downloading the receipt is quick and ensures you always have proof of your trip.